welcome back to our channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Heather.
And today we are opening day 9 of our Cinereplicas Harry Potter Deluxe Advent Calendar. So we are excited. We actually set this down and we came, we just left for just a minute, came back over, and day 9, which was in there, was missing. So we started looking around the common room to see, what had gone on. And if you look over here, Pickett is trying to take day 9 away. And we've had a discussion about this, Pickett. We can't just take things away.
You're not a niffler. You can't just take things.
You have been hanging out with a niffler a tad much, I think. So I'm gonna take this back.
And we'll let you join us. It's only fair.
And once I open this, I will let you hold the box. Is that okay? Okay, I think we're good. So let's open this up. Okay, it's like a little Harry Potter
It's a
doll.
headless Harry Potter.
He is in pieces. He kind of feels like an eraser. Let's see. He has no face. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, so he kind of just fits together here.
To symbol it.
Yeah, you can kind of put him together.
Oh, that's kind of cute.
That is cute, but I want his scar to be showing there because I think that's what that's for there. Oh, I dropped the scarf! Dropped the scarf, no! Poor Harry's scarf.
He's scarfless.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this scarf on. But he feels like an eraser, and I think they have, these, I think they're called gummies, actually. But this is the first one. I've never had a gummy.
I've never seen one. And he's got a hole in his head and in his hands. I bet maybe something else comes with him later on.
Yeah, maybe he's gonna have extra things later on. So
He's
look,
kinda
he's
cute.
so cute. He's got his little scarf, and you can see the lightning bolt scar there, and his glasses, and his Hogwarts uniform. So he's so cute. I don't think I could ever use him as an eraser though. He's too cute.
He is cute. Here, you want to hold him? There you go.
And then I'll put the box next to you so you can have the box, but I'm gonna keep the plastic. Alrighty, so that is day 9. He is super cute, and I think Pickett is going to keep him, to be honest.
I think so.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a video every time we upload, and please join us tomorrow for day 10. Bye.
Bye.